Welcome back to the Classy Tacos. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe. One-stop shop for all your Tacoma mods, installs, and reviews. So today, hopefully going to get a little quick video out. I am working on the wiring of the OEM switch that I did on the install for the Tacoma ditch lights that I did 2 weeks ago. So I had a question on my video from Sean Sofa Phone. I could have said that wrong. If I did, let me know below. He asked me what I did with that second red wire. Well, I actually didn't install it. Kind of just left it there because I was a little short on time. So I went back today. I felt like I had a responsibility to go back in, get that wire installed, and that second red wire, what it does is light up the switch when you turn on your lights. So it just lights up the switch on the interior, lets you know that that's where the ditch light switch is. So let's go knock that out. We'll go take a quick walk, see if we can get it done today for Sean. I generally like to keep things pretty simple, and I couldn't find my test light, so how I tested this out is just kind of going through every spot, figuring out which one would light the switch up. If you look back here, here is the switch light on and off for the bed light right here. So if you look on the back of the bed light right here, it's the biggest switch here, which is why I like using it. And this is the second red that powers the LED in the switch. So my first choice was just gonna stop right here and just check this one out and see how it works. You how I can do this is you just kind of very nicely and gently, words that I don't normally use, gonna get that in there and see if you can get in there to kind of stick in there a little bit. We're going to just let this kind of sit here like that, and we're gonna hit our lights. And what do you know? So it came on. So now we know that that first one is the one that lights up the words, so it lights up the letters that say ditch light, and once you pull that, the truck lights up once you have the ditch lights on. So boom, quick little check. Lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on. I'm happy with that. So now it's just getting this tapped into here, or literally just sticking it in there and letting it stay. One more thing I noticed, it looks like the tan wire is what Toyota used to pull power to the lights. So we're just gonna do it. We're going to just do a little test here. Since this tan wire was the one that lit up on this side, we're gonna check this tan wire here. So I'm gonna try the same type of concept. I'm gonna push that in there and see if I can kind of get that to stay. Pop this up. See if I can get this to stay here for a sec, just like that, and then test our lights. All right, so now we know it definitely looks like Toyota used that tan wire in the back for the interior lighting. So that's lights off, lights on, ditch lights on, ditch lights off. Boom. Hope you like that. If you were the one that asked that question about it, I hope that answers your question and your install goes good. If you have any other questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a good one.